Hey, I want to make a quick video here about the Corvette. We're doing some mods this winter to prep it for track use for next year. So check this out. One of the things we just did, my son actually did this. I was out of town. Otherwise, I would have probably made some video content for it. He just upgraded the brakes on this thing. When we originally bought this car, it had the standard Corvette brakes. Those were not doing very well on track days at all. So we upgraded the brakes to the Z51. So you got like a little bit bigger rotors. The caliper was the same, but you just had to put a little bit of an offset bracket to get the caliper out further. They were doing okay, but the car is so fast that the pedal is still getting soft at the end of track days when you went to places like Mid-Ohio or Road America, where you're hitting like 150 mile an hour plus on the back straights. So this is the Z06 brake package. Monoblock. It's got 6-piston caliper, huge rotors, and there's some other mods in here. Let me show you. Like if you can see in there, it's huge. Inside further, it's hard to tell in there, but there's actually like a brake cooling duct that goes all the way in, and it kind of feeds the caliper as well. It's really sweet. Yeah, there it is. You can see back there. That's the brake cooling duct right there. So it actually comes in from the front bumper, and it actually hits the back of the rotor. So it gives you a nice little bit of pressure because we cut out a hole in the front section to ensure that there's proper cooling there. So you can see it right there. See how it kind of goes right in? There used to be a fog light here. Now it's just a brake duct. So both sides have it. So we had the brake ducts in there already on the old Z51 rotors. And, the pedal was still getting soft. So that's when we decided to go with the bigger brake kit. As you can see, the bigger brake kit here, you see how we got the C5 Z06 wheels? You needed this offset for the caliper to clear the wheel. Okay, so this is a pretty common setup. You run the C6 Z06 rotors and the monoblocks, and then you run the C5 Z06 wheels. These are 18 by 10.5, so you run a square setup, 18, 10.5 front, 18, 10.5 rear. Tires are going to be like 285s. There are compound tires. I can't remember what they are, but we got them in the basement right now. The other big difference that we're making, which we debated a lot about this. So the other big difference we're making is upgrading the pads. The original Z51s, the old Z51s had Hawk HP Plus track pads. For this setup, we're going to go with Hawk DTCs, which are much higher temperature pads. I'm already running the Motul 5.1 brake fluid in here already. So I know my son bought this brake kit, and we were really going back and forth and debating, should we even put this on? Maybe we should just try going from Hawk HP Plus to Hawk DCTs on the Z51 setup. But, we figured, what? We already got this whole setup. Let's just do it. This is between this bigger brake kit and the DCTs. I think that's going to completely eliminate any future thermal problems on track days. So you can see here. So right now, the front's done. Let me show you what the rear looks like. As you can see, this is a Z51 rotor. We haven't done the back yet. I'll shoot a video maybe when we're doing the backs. You can see this is actually the bigger rear rotor. Look how small this thing looks. It's tiny. Let me show you the front again. This is huge compared to what you saw in the back. So the back's gonna get the bigger ones too. Anyway, thanks for watching. I thought you guys would find this interesting, the fact that, these components kind of all interchange between the Corvettes. So one other question you may be asking, so why didn't you just go with the C6 Z06 wheels? Well, if you don't know, the C5 and the C5 Z06, the body was the same. They didn't widen the fenders. On the C6s, they did widen the body for the Z06. So the wheel housing underneath the fender and the fender itself, front and back, are much wider. So the C6 Z06 wheels would not fit. I wanted to give you guys, I shot some videos last year. We have a separate channel like for track days and things like this. I wanted to add it to here. It's like a shorter clip just showing kind of some of the stuff we went through last year, and to give you like a little bit, a few minutes of like Road America and how we got there and the prep to it. I'm going to attach it to the end of this video. Like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.
Nathan's coming. Yeah. Yeah. Nathan. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, they're not going that fast yet. Speeding by. I don't know what happened. Yeah. Yeah.